today. Right? Alright guys, so another day up by the house. So this is what we're gonna be doing today, because the house did paint the last time, and when the ceiling did a start out, like we literally had to change out all of the solid them from the ceiling because of duckans. So when all of the ceiling I start out back and I read over the wall them end up mess up because we end up paint out all of the house inside in white, right? We end up paint back over it. Just a quick run over it. You know, they did coat 2 times and stuff, so we're going to just paint back over all of it. And we have the window them for wipe down today, the grill them for wipe down. The house has sweep out now, and then afterwards we're going to wipe out the house. So only know we have a good amount of work to do up by the house today, and yes, we're going to be cooking same way. We're going to try to see if we can creep up the yard, burn up garbage. The yard I go spray same way. So we don't know how that goes. So please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. Join the family and stay tuned. As usual, go and watch the video, pick up on yourself.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
So when you see guys, the wall end up mess up because it painted in white. So we have to go, you see? So we have to end up go back. We're going to end up go back over them here. Make the wall them clean. So see Chloe and Zoe here.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
Alright guys, so the place is free.
In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no me. Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's get the basics. Whoa, no. many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say I'm all about, you are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know, let me know, let me know.
Alright guys, so right here which far out of the grave come out further, you know. Grass them out, just start burning because we can't leave them. Yeah, one thing, bonus pink. Oh. But grave them on paint. Somebody tell you know. Well, not paint, the grave them I got tile. So this is daddy, grandma and grandpa, and my, oh go again, and my auntie. Look like barrel tear down out there, so wanna see? At the first from barrel actually passed me, I come out here, so you know. So I don't know, as usual, living in the country we have a lot of banana. Nutmeg tree there right here, so oh no, we have nutmeg, right? Yeah, and as you can see, mango tree. Yeah, so no, it's good to live in the country.
Oh, you make 2 SM. Oh, you want ringtones. Oh, you ain't train on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong. Oh, you ain't kingpin. Oh, you ain't wings in. Oh, you ain't hands on. Oh, you ain't singing. Oh, you ain't demon. She not the demon. Yeah. went king, yeah, now that was green, yeah. Hey, you went flying business first. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went round like a squirrel. Hey, you went sitting there.
Alright guys, so we're looking after some saltfish along with callaloo. So the saltfish are boiled out. Now we have to take out some of the salt out of the saltfish. This is the callaloo and this is the rice. The rice is already cooked. Exactly, cry. You look like I cry, me go cry.
Pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car.
Alright guys, so this is dinner. So callaloo, saltfish and rice. And we're gonna have tongue with this. Alright guys, so we're having some rain. Rain. Alright guys, so for lunch today we're gonna be having juicy patty. Yeah, oh no, so juicy patty nice already, and if I'm not juicy and no other patty we eat around here, right? Because I hate mother's patty and tasty patty. I'm not really a fan of it, but I'll eat it. But juicy patty, listen, juicy patty is top tier. So anyway, this is 2 cheese patty. My mother just bring them in for me, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna put them on the stove top, and then we're gonna heat them up, and then me and Chloe eat our patty, okay? Yeah, and of course Zoe gonna get to, because we can't leave out Zoe. Alright guys, so this is the dinner today. So we're gonna have vegetable, pear, white rice with some curry, neck and gizzard, yes, and tongue juice, yes. I don't know, so everything are going in one belly, right? Yeah. Alright guys, so if you all reach this far in the video, it means you have watched the entire video, right? So as you all see, we end up painting back over the house because you know as I showed us, the wall end up get messy. So we end up do that. But the wipe off the grill on the veranda because they were like, them did dusty, but them did well one wipe because they had on a lot of dirt on them. So my mother did a wipe off the window them in the living room and stuff. Everything is finalized apart from, like, you know, we never get a chance to wipe out the house due to us being so busy, and then rain did end up come down. So just one last thing left to do, and it's just to connect the light back to the house. So we have to end up connect back the light. Yeah, so I don't know, say from time to time I have to check up there to make sure that everything alright. And we'll open up the house. We are going to end up rent out the house to somebody we want, you know, stay there in the meantime. Because listen, I plan to stay up there, but however my mother don't want me alone to stay up there, because I don't know how it go with, like, you know, woman and just kids alone. Like me personally, I wouldn't have a problem to, you know, stay up there by myself with my kids, because really and truly, like, you know, staying at a place where, you know, it's you alone, you have a peace of mind, it's a breath of fresh air. I might tell you, know, like, me personally know, say, if I should stay up there with my kids, me wouldn't have a problem for that, right? Because really and truly, as I say, some of the time it's good, you know, you have a peace of mind, you and your kids can relax. When you're ready, you know, you can watch movies, have family time, same way. So it's what it is. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Please remember to drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and make sure that you do so. So it's a girl Rush, and I'll catch you all in the next video.